What's up, guys? It's Jimmy here, back again with another special edition video. Today, as you see, you might not be able to see it, but because it's a little bit thin, but it's not thin. It's my Nerf gun, guys. You have not seen a video like this on my channel ever. This is a special edition. Here, I'll get the rest of my bullets. Well, today, as you see all over the place, I have figures. I have wrestling figures. So, right here I have Bray Wyatt, Kofi Kingston, and Braun Strowman. Back there I have Dean Ambrose and The Miz. And you might not be able to see, but over here I have Kofi Kingston and... No, that's not Kofi Kingston. Is my thing upside down? Well, I got Xavier Woods and Big E. Alright, here we go. Start the challenge. I'm going to be shooting at them. Bray Wyatt, down! I'm low on bullets, guys. So, Thunder Kid, if you can please help me out with this. Please, if you have any extra Nerf bullets or darts, please help me with them. Alright. Kofi, down. Braun. Down. Braun, down. Who shot out that time? Boom. 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 That one flew out the back. What the heck? Well, guys, time to reload. But in this video, I don't have that much time to do this because my battery is going dead. Now I gotta look all over the place for my bullets. See if I got them all. But looking for them. See if I got any more over here. Oh, and just real quick, shout out to the Palmerton wrestling team for making these awesome shirts. Train like an animal, wrestle like a beast. Alright. I know this one person out there doesn't like the Share family. I don't care. I like the Share fam. Alright, shout out to the Share fam. Real quick, this isn't the end of the video, but at the end of the video, I want you to stay awesome and share the love. I don't care. So, shout out to Share fam. Oh, I got money. That over there. Well, yeah, I think I got all of my bullets. So let's get to reloading. Just making sure that all the bullets are gone. Yep, all the bullets are gone. So, I'm just gonna talk to you while I'm doing this. I'd like to thank a lot of people. I'd like to thank, first of all, Thunder Kid for not being mad at me for making that rude kid video. He's not really rude. He's actually really nice. When you get to know him a little bit. But alright, so first chamber is loaded. I think I'm gonna fill the second chamber with these. I know I'm missing one orange one, but it doesn't matter. I always like to start off with the little ones because it doesn't waste that much time though. So I got to reset my figures, but alright. time, guys, I'm going to set them in a specific order where it might be a little bit tricky. Why did I press the button? Yeah, there are buttons on these, guys. Crap. Why won't you stand now? Alright. Here we go. Ready? See that dart in there? Boom! Here we go. I don't care. Boom! How'd I miss? Boom! 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 Oh, I missed. Boom! 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 Alright. Gotta reload my gun. I used all the bullets already. Ow, 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 ow. 1, 2. One of these. 4, 5, 6. There you go. Alright. This time I'm going to fill up 6 in this one because I'm going to have all my green ones in this one. So you're going to see a lot of green ones come out. 6 green ones in there. And I know it's not a lot, guys. Like I said, I'm low on darts and, well, here we go. 6 ones first. I mean, 3, 4, 5, 4 ones first. Here we go. Ready, boom! Got him! Boom! How did I miss? Boom! Did you guys see that? That went through his legs, guys. Yeah, yeah! Yes! Yes! Well, I'm going to take a page out of Colin's Keys book. I'm going to set out a challenge where you guys have 5 seconds to like the video, subscribe to my channel, in 5 seconds. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. If you could do that, comment down in the leave a comment saying J-Dogs if you can do it. I know there's going to be a lot of noise, guys. My tablet's running dead. So, you know, I'm just going to end the video there. Stay awesome, share the love, subscribe to my channel. Peace.